damp are easy to manage when addressed early. With a few simple steps, you can keep your space fresh and comfortable. Ensuring proper ventilation, like opening windows for a few hours a day or using a dehumidifier, helps prevent moisture buildup. For any small spots that appear, mold sprays or even just bleach and hot water work great to keep surfaces clean. If the issue becomes too much to handle yourself, report it through the app and we can help assist you. Keeping your space in good shape is a shared responsibility and we're here to help. Remember these 4 points to prevent mold and damp. Number 1, look for condensation on windows or musty smells. Catching these signs early helps you keep your space fresh. 2, let air circulate, making sure furniture isn't pressed right up against walls to allow airflow and prevent moisture buildup. 3, dry surfaces regularly. Wipe down surfaces to prevent moisture. 4, ventilation. Even on cold days, cracking open a window for just a few minutes makes a huge difference. Fresh air helps prevent moisture and keeps your home feeling cozy and healthy. Bigger issues like a broken window or heating issues, report them through the system and we'll handle it. If we need to order parts, we'll keep you posted and may put in a temporary fix until the job can be fully completed.